Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account. Make sure you're using a device you control. Once signed in, go to Security and open two-step verification to begin. Choose whether you want Authenticator app, phone prompts, or SMS as your primary second factor. Use the app for stronger security. SMS is easier but less secure. Tap Get Started and follow the on-screen pairing steps. This creates the second factor that protects your account from password-only attacks. Once you choose Authenticator, open the app and tap the plus icon to scan the QR code or enter the setup key manually. Scanning is faster. After the app shows a 6-digit code, enter it back on Google's setup page to confirm the link. This proves the device is synced. Make sure to name the device so you recognize it later. Also add a phone prompt and register a secondary phone number or backup email, so you won't get locked out if you lose the primary device. To finish, generate and securely store printed backup codes, and consider adding a UBI or other hardware security key for maximum protection. Once done, test signing in from a different device to confirm everything works. Make sure recovery options are current. If you ever get locked out, use your saved backup codes first, then follow Google's account recovery flow, which asks for recent activity and recovery email access. If issues persist, check device time sync and try re-adding the authenticator after removing the old key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.